Hi guys, my name is Ali Akbar, and today I've decided to make a short video about Peter and six-figure funnels. So basically, a little bit of a backstory about me. I've been trying to get into this e-commerce space for about 2 years. I've literally watched every YouTube video out there, and I've taken so many courses, some from like the top guys in the space, and I never really saw any significant success. So one day I was YouTubing and I came across ClickFunnels and how people are dropshipping from ClickFunnels, and I came across Peter's Thin Blue Line series. If you haven't seen that series, I highly recommend go check it out, man. I was blown away by how this guy can just find a product and just in like a matter of 2 days end up making $600. I was blown away. So then I decided to reach out to Peter because I really needed help. So I decided to reach out. I took his six-figure funnels course, and then I also signed on for his mentorship. And I cannot even begin to explain how my entire e-commerce outlook has changed. So basically, a little bit about his six-figure funnels course. It's split up into modules, which I really like, and if you guys do it each module at a time, follow his steps properly, because he's laid it out in this amazing logical sequence, which it was so easy to understand, and I implemented it step by step. Every word he said, I did it, and I'll tell you about my results a little bit later. And then Peter and I was in his mentorship program, so we got on weekly calls. I would talk to him every week. We would go over our funnels, and then in 1 month, I ended up doing $10,000. No jokes. In 1 month, I ended up doing $10,000. When I had my first $1,000 day, I can still remember, I sent Peter screenshots, and I was blown away, and like, I cannot even, I'm so glad I signed up for his course. I'm so glad I even came across this guy, like, out of the blue, nowhere, freaking comes up on my newsfeed and decides to change my life. So thank you so much, Peter. And for anybody out there looking for help with this whole e-commerce thing, I know that it's so confusing and there's so much information out there, but if you guys go through six-figure funnels, I can guarantee you will not be disappointed. Thanks for watching my video, guys. And Peter, thank you so freaking much, bro. Like, thank you.
Hi, my name is Liz, and I am a six-figure funnel student with Peter, and as well as a mentee. And I had actually asked him if I could do a testimonial for him, because I think it's good to hear from other people, and it helped me to kind of say, yeah, I'm in. I guess my background is business, and I have been always entrepreneurial. My husband's a firefighter. I've got 3 very young children, and throughout my, I guess, entrepreneurial journey, I kept thinking the past, X amount of years, I know people are making money online. I just don't know how. So I dug in, I did lots of research. I tried this, like, maybe starting my own Facebook ad agency, and the more that I thought about it, the more it was not scalable. And that's what I really fell in love with after researching 2 straight years of researching solid ways to make money online. I came across Peter, and I dug in, and it was, this is it. I was like, this is it. This is something that is scalable. You can make it whatever you want. It can apply to your passions and your gifts, but he's laid it out so well for you. I mean, everything you need to start a business, whether you have zero knowledge about technology and online e-commerce, all of that, or whether you have knowledge but you're looking for something different that actually can help you scale and build and grow, he has it totally laid out for you. And he's awesome because he helps you right where you're at. He meets you where you're at and says, hey, here. He brings so much value to his students. And personally, he's helped me just if you become a mentee of his, he reaches out, he talks to you daily. If you have questions, he's like, here's what I think, do what you want to do, but here's what I suggest. And coming from somebody who's been successful at it, it's so helpful. And he cares. You can tell that he knows what he's talking about and he really cares. So I wanted to just say thank you to Peter, because I know so much work and effort and heart has gone into it, and there's a lot of stuff out there that can make you question if it's the right decision or not. So if you have any question, or if you're on the fence, should I jump in? Is this real? Like, there's so many things on the line these days that it's hard to really know, like who you can trust and what's available. Inside the modules, it is packed full of so much value. I feel like he gives way more than the cost of actually becoming a 6-figure funnel student, and it's totally worth it. So thanks and good luck e-commerce building.
Hi guys, I just wanted to shoot this quick video to thank Peter Prue so much, because I just got something in the mail, guys, and what it is 2 awards from Empire Builders. This is the 10K club for getting $10,000 in sales on my sales funnel, and then this one over here is the $50,000, or sorry, yeah, $50,000, hitting over $50,000 with my sales funnel, and I'm just in shock. I didn't even expect this at all, but wow, like, this is incredible. This is the first time I've ever received like an award for anything, like at least anything like internet marketing related or e-commerce related or anything. I just want to let you know that it's so possible, okay? With the training that we all have, it literally is so possible. And I will hit that 7-figure mark. Like, I will get my funnel to $1 million in sales. And it's just insane, because, like, don't listen to poor people's advice, okay? Poor people are going to tell you why your idea is most likely not going to work. But if you ask me to tell you anything, keep going. Don't listen to anyone else. If you believe in your dreams, it's going to be a long time until you make it, but you got to keep on going no matter what, and don't ever quit. Because the moment you quit, that's the moment you fail. But you got to keep on going, keep on trying it, keep on tweaking it, keep on testing it, keep on running it, and you will succeed.